Idol, ito po yung goal ng office namin. Participate and help achieve lasting peace and development in the region and the Mindanao in accordance with the common aspiration of the people and of the government as envisioned in the 1996 GRP-MNLA Peace Agreement and similar initiatives being proposed between the government and MNLA and other groups. Ano naman po yung objectives to develop and improve the delivery of basic social welfare services, to increase livelihood opportunities, especially the disadvantaged sectors and communities. Number 3, to assist the overall strategy for reduction of poverty by the regional and national government. Ito naman po yung vision ng office namin, SWD, individual families and communities empowered and enjoy a full quality in life. Ito naman po yung mission. Yung mission nila, enable disadvantaged individual families and communities to achieve quality of life through the provision of comprehensive responsive social welfare programs, service in partnership with development and stakeholders. Thank you.